back on this little shed rebuild here, and the foam has gone off a tree that is going nowhere. So let's decipher all this lot and start building. The shed's coming along now. It's been a right kick really. Well, it's just been boring, to be honest. And it just, what I'm pointing at is spending the time leveling that base is the key. I don't know if you've ever done one of these or if you're gonna do one of these, but if you don't get that base right, you might as well say goodbye to it. So basically every screw's gone in what I wanted it to, and I'm on the last roof screw now. I'll take you on a little tour now, just around the shed. Very flimsy thing. I mean, it's not going to blow down, but it's still really flimsy. It's like tin can, really. So it bolted together quite well. Well, it just screws into little pilot holes. So you just hundreds of sort of like little half-inch screws, really. Very, very fiddly. But I think it'll suit the woman what she needs. Doors have gone on there. They was alright. They were nice and easy, to be honest. So you can see all these screws in here, like there's tons and tons of screws poking out. And what they do, they give you these little plastic caps that you've got to screw on after. They give you like a bag with about 200 of them in. I think I've put a couple on, yeah, these little things here. So you've got to go around and put all them in after. It's so thin, but I don't know, I don't think it was expensive. Trouble is though, you buy these things cheap online, and then you've got to pay someone like me to build them, so I don't know if it works out much cheaper anyway, really. You might be better off just buying a decent wooden one. So you've got your little spring clips on there, on the doors, screws on the doors and all that, hinges, yeah, they're pretty good hinges. And you fit these crossbars on the doors to give them a bit of strength. You can see there's a hell of a gap in the doors there. I mean, everything's lined up, everything's plumb and level, but there's a hell of a gap down there. And there's no sort of cover plate to stop wind blowing in. So you can see the doors are all pretty straight there. There's this little Harsman staple thing to go with it. And then I'll go back Monday and I'll screw all this down there, and I'll put some drill down these slabs, and I'll put some chemical fixing in, and I'll push a bolt in or something. Have a good weekend, everyone.